Hello everyone, welcome for today's video. I am Devendra Mato welcoming you to the amazing session of English conversation. In today's video, I will try to say or try to give some 5 ways to overcoming or 5 best way to give the how to becoming consistent in your studies or how to become consistent in your work with the 5 ways. First of all, let's suppose try to say that for what reason or for what purpose you wanted to become consistent in your studies. Let's suppose a person there was 100 student in your class and every person was not considered to be the consistent person, so that there could be call that a person or a student who say that how I can regular doing the studies and how I manage my time. So that this was the important point to that to be mentioned. For making consistency you have to focus upon yourself that what could be your interest. Let's suppose that a person or a student who interested or who wanted to solve the mathematics very well, so that he always spend times to solve the mathematics solve the maths questions or practicing the 80s again and again. But always studying math, this was happening to be very much difficult to attain some many more skills that he have. So that this was the important thing that we have to be recognized. And for many people who always say that how to become consistent, first of all think that they always just try it, never do it again, never do it the thing that they never do it. And after do not doing, they thinking in his mind that how to become consistent, so that this will be very much difficult for them to continue his job or continue his studies. So that you have to find out your piece of work, or you have to find out that how which type of interest do I have. After that you have to be make a list of the things that let's suppose you have to adopt a 5 thing that makes you the consistent person. So that mark the 5 things and make the 2 things that would be very much important for yourself, so that these things will be very much very much important, that you have to be become regular in your day every day. So that the first of all thing, let's suppose a student who was a student who just try to say that I was good in mathematics, so that I was take the time in mathematics in the morning. After going to the school, I was learning some of the chapters of the question answers or the many more of the skill, many more of the books and every and blah 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 blah, and learning something. And after that doing the exercises and so many things, that you have to be consistent just to focusing upon your what type of interest. Let's suppose a famous social media influencer called Ankit Bayanpuria. He was as a famous bodybuilder or famous athlete, called that lots of doing exercises regularly. As and also I was also becoming to be the not to becoming to be so healthy, but I was a thin person, so that I was not to be mentally prepared to doing such type of job. So that how I becoming to be consistent to this field. So that this was to be very much matter, that how to be consistent in your field. Just to first of all thing is that you have to find out about yourself that in which field I have to becoming to be consistent. First of all in this into the studies or into the doing jobs, or into doing the any of the criterial thing that you wanted to do it. For example, as I have always said that I will explain you on the basis of examples, because if you want to like to perform your the things or the informative thing or the type of job or the studies, you will never ask anything that you wanted to becoming to be a consistent. For example, let's suppose I was very much suppose that I was very much grateful that I making the videos overcoming my fear for the camera, and I like very much to upload the videos or record the videos in front of the camera, because I like it very much. So that it will helping me to becoming to be regular in my self. Always I say that or not to say, just I will explain you that just to start in front of the camera is not supposed to be you are a YouTuber. you have to find out that what type of interest you have. First of all, I have mentioned myself, I myself that I becoming to be the very much fluent in English, so that I try to speak in English in this channel and try always again and again, so that it takes lots of time, I know. But I have also something to say, that I want some audience, or because out of I was not extrovert people, I was introvert people. As I going outside from my house, I was very much hesitated to explain anything or expressing my thoughts, so that this was having lots of fear for me, so that I wanted to discuss any of the people that who can hear me, who will always get motivated from myself, or get something informative from myself, informative knowledge from myself, and who wanted to view me, or who wanted to sorry, hear me on my thought or my thought processing, so that this was the very much inspired me, so that how I can for example, in last few videos I have you all of you seen that my videos was continuously not performing very well, but not more than 2 to 3 views, or sometime 10 views, or the maximum highest level. But I always make the videos, because why? I like to do performing the videos, I like very much to upload the videos, and I like very well to come in front of the camera and say something in English in front of them. So that after doing this thing, this was to be very much consistent in my job, so that how I come toward this place, and how I could doing and uploading my skills. And also say that I have also interest in the social media designs, as a thumbnail design or the poster design, so that I was also upgrading in these skills. As you can see in my thumbnails, that something improvement that has to be coming. I always and also say that I also try to overlooking, or try to see the how to stay consistent, or how to give the quality based thumbnail or quality based video. But something to say, that I was just started but I also try to improve my quality, so that how could it will be happening to me. And our session of the atomic habit was also coming, so that it was the book was also to be completed, that I have also mentioned in the um, a book called the how to manage your time. So that by reading the books, I also wanted not wanted to make the channel of to read the book. I wanted a type of channel where I discuss about myself, or discuss about my hobbies that I have, and how to help people by myself, so that I was belonging from those type people who wanted to hear me, so that this will be how helping. As you can see that there was a brick in backside me, and no background till there, so that now currently I have make the videos, because because of why, because I wanted to like the videos to edit, or to sorry, not to edit, I wanted to take interest upon it in future, and how I wanted to say record the videos in front of the camera. This will helping me a lot. And how I stay motivated, the motivation is coming from the interest. I was consistent because I was very much motivated to this because I like very much, so that how it could be helping me. And coming to the 5 ways that we have to be mentioned in the how to become consistent, the first of all thing is that find about your interest, what is the type of interest that you have, then you becoming to be the consistent. Another thing that you have to be make a chart list, because if you have make the list, then you have in your brain, because our brain was very much sorted. For example, in my perspective, I have never if I have learned anything, then I was leave out from my brain very easily and very short period of time, so that I make myself that how I could becoming to be consistent, that I remember myself that always try to upload a video per day as a consistent person, because in front whenever I come from the in front of the camera, I feel very much proud for myself that I would able, or I was capable to say something in front of the camera, in front of any person who wanted to hear me, so that how could it will be inspiring me. The second thing is that make a chart list, and third thing is that make choose the one that choose the thing that was very much priority. Give the priority to the thing, the habits that you wanted to perform in your daily life. For example, like to completing your studies or doing the studies was very much important for you, to continue it again and again. So that make to coming to this list, you have to continue it again and again. And another thing is that giving you the simple example that if you have interest upon it, or if you have don't interest upon it, just do it and repeat again and again. Why you how you can repeat again and again? Just coming just going to going for your mother and ask him how you becoming to be so much consistent in your work, how you can make the food for ourselves in the morning, in so morning, and how you can manage our time to give the foods and making the breakfast, lunch, and many more things. So that you will get the reason that we are not supposed to like to make the food. This was our job that we have to be do without having any of the sorry to say, without having any of the uh, lalach, without having any of the greed. So that this will be helping for that. How could you become consistent? You have to mark yourself that this is our job and we have to do it again and again. Fourth thing is that, and the fifth thing is that, if you are always assume that I was not consistent, and I have to be very much insufficient to say something, then you will try to say that or take a decision that, or take a punch toward yourself that always punch yourself to doing the something, just to do the little bit. Even you do the little bit things, you will grow yourself very much bigger from yourself. How you can make yourself to be bigger, or how you make yourself to be becoming to be so much wealthier? The single reason is that you have to be perform something better skills, that is doing again and again. This was very much important. By doing, improving your skills, improving your knowledge. As I was not very much good, because I was saying anything about myself, anything about my knowledge, I was not very much clear about it, or say that very much um, upgrading for about myself, and say the express how to express my thoughts was very much also difficult for me. So that it could be saying that difficult for me, then there was even no problem. But today's video I was not crossing the 100 videos, so that I performing the very much goods. So that after continuing for the 100 video, I was performing to be very much good. This was not performing, so not say that in after completing the 100 videos I was to be very much fluent in English or fluent in any of the thing. But making the consistency, a time will be come when my language or my communication skills that will be improved, then how people wanted to hear me. So that my perspective or my thought process or my knowledge, or saying that what about my skills that I have thought that. So that this is for today's video, and I wanted to disclose the video. And till now, this is for today's video. Thank you, bye bye, and meet hope you in tomorrow.